Happy Sunday and welcome to our Glow Up Hour. We are going to talk about if you're not yet in your 40s but reaching 40s, or eventually you will be there, how to flourish at that age, reverse the signs of aging without complicated routines. So, this is only for people who are quite busy. Pwede rin naman if you're not busy, but you want efficient routines to help you. Hi, Coco. Hi, Zane. And hi, Jen. Thanks for joining live. So, for everyone who wants to maintain that youthful look and energy, even when you're in your 40s or your 50s and 60s and beyond, diba? Why not? And I just saw a photo by an actor who was popular in the 70s. I forgot his name actually. Anyway, he was popular in the 70s. There was his photo when he was 34, and beside his photo was an actor. He was in GOT, one of the younger actors there. His photo when he was 34. So they were put beside each other and they look like each other's. The older actor looked like the father literally, but they were the same age at the photo. Because right now, basically, if ikaw yung taong naghahanap talaga na may vitality pa rin or my skin is still looking so vibrant even as I age chronologically, then this session is for you. Um, so we're going to share about ano ba nangyayari sa skin and energy natin as we age. Ano ba yung mga napansin nyo as you were getting more mature with energy and age? So I'll start. Sa akin, napansin ko is since I play sports, is the muscle recovery and the energy. You know, you don't have as much if you're not taking care of yourself. Sa skin naman, ang pinaka napansin ko are the dark spots. Sa akin, dark spots talaga kasi I like being under the sun in terms of sports. Siyempre, pag hindi ako naglalaro, ayoko masyado magbilad sa araw. So, the dark spots ang pinaka pinupuntirya ko talaga. And wrinkles, like, because especially if you're the type of person who likes to smile, magkakaroon ka talaga, di ba, ng crow's feet. So, si Coco, saan ba yung messages? Si Coco, fine lines. Ayan, si Jen, melasma, metabolism. Yan, love smiling. That's true, di ba? So, relate tayong lahat dyan. And I attended the weight management coaching session yesterday. And the coach there was saying, when you reach your 40s or your 50s, it's normal to be using maintenance medicines. But he said this is actually not normal. It's only normal because this is what we're used to. But now we have the choice. Isn't that good news? So parang it doesn't have to be our destiny. Our parents maybe or people we know who are baby boomers or our age are using maintenance medicines because they think it's normal. It doesn't have to be our reality. Exciting yan, di ba? For me, it's very exciting because who wants to take medicines, solving one problem and then creating another problem in other parts of your body? Nobody wants that, di ba? So, especially but okay, habang tumatanda talaga tayo, nagkakaroon ng decay unless we do something about it, di ba? Kasi the more we breathe down the oxygen, the more damage we do. Actually, we need oxygen to breathe and to live, but at the same time, it's what's damaging our skin and our bodies. Thankfully, we have experts, hindi ako yon. We have experts who have created solutions for us to use and take advantage of, di ba? So, for me nowadays, a skincare routine is not enough kasi there was a time, meron akong seborrheic dermatitis and the dermatologist told me, it's not only because oily, sobrang oily yung skin mo, it's also because of a gut problem. So, ibig sabihin, internal. So, people who have autoimmune disease, di ba nagmamanifest yan sa skin nila. So, at the same time, when we're aging, the wrinkles, it's also an internal problem. If maybe you're not hydrating enough, di ba? Or you're not eating fruits and vegetables enough. So, to be honest, alam natin tong lahat. Agree ba kayo? Alam natin yung lahat. But we're actually not um, used to having it as part of our daily lives, 'di ba? Kaya parang hindi natin masyadong pina-prioritize. But I guess for me, this is one of the reasons why we gather every week so we can make it more of a habit for us to take care of ourselves. It's not vanity, it's taking care of our health. We want to live um, with more vitality, enjoy our lives more, even though maraming stressors outside, di ba? Not just environmental stressors, but from work, from people. We can maintain that youthful glow. Gusto nyo ba yan? Ako, gusto ko yan. So, ang pinupunteriya ko talaga right now is how to have more energy. Kasi I want to be at my 60s and still be playing football. I was watching this doctor. He was giving an orientation about a health business. Sabi niya, I'm 60 years old and I'm playing with 20-year-olds. He's a guy. I'm playing with 20-year-olds and I have more stamina than they have. Imagine being able to say this, di ba? When you're 60 years old and some other people at 60s, nakahiga na lang sila. So that's one of my goals. That's why I'm making better choices right now, lifestyle choices, eating, stress management. Kasi some things we cannot avoid, di ba? Kailangan natin kumita ng pera. Gusto natin magpalaki ng negosyo. So some things we cannot avoid exposing ourselves to stresses, but it's how we manage it anyway. So, um, so tonight, i-share ko sa inyo yung two products that I really love that has contributed to how I maintain my skin. Kasi just last week, I was playing football. So these girls that I play with, mixed kami. As in like, parang feeling ko nga I'm still in Metro Manila. Kasi when I was playing in Manila, may mga Pilipino, may mga maraming foreigners. So it's really a mix of cultures. So it's the same here, Greeks and other nationalities. So we were like exchanging. One of the girls there kasi she's Brazilian. And she looks like she's 16. It's one of the Greek girls, she told her. You look like you're still in high school, but she's actually 30 years old. And then they asked me, they said, how old are you? And then, of course, I told them I'm already in my 40s, and they couldn't believe it. They thought I was only around 28. So it feels nice to be complimented like this. At the same time, I'm making so much effort to actually achieve this. So why not, di ba? Ikaw ba? Ano ba yung age na gusto mong sabihin sa'yo when you're 50 or when you're 60? Di ba? The good thing about this is it doesn't have to be complicated. Can be as simple as 3 steps, 5 minutes every day to maintain all of this. Gusto niyo bang malaman yon? Kung ano yun. So, I will share with you what you can do if your target is to have that youthful glow in your skin and youthful energy, di ba? So, eto talaga, as in, sometimes, tinatamad akong gamitin yung Lumis pa, but eto ang hindi pwedeng mawala. It's the ageLOC Retinol. So, meron akong dark spots dito. If you've attended the previous glow up hours, I have a dark spots here, and one is like a skin tag na. So sobrang annoyed talaga ako. So yan yung parati ko nilalagyan nitong retinol. And I noticed just kanina, I took a picture again, and hindi na siya parang skin tag. So, mas nakalapat na siya sa skin ko. And I'm so happy. And what do? I just do a pump. Sobrang konti. And then I apply it directly on my skin. Yun lang. And the way you apply it is what? Like 10 seconds tapos na. If it's like spot, spot solution, di ba? Spot treatment. So, okay siya for dark spots and for wrinkles. Basically, it will renew your skin. Ang maganda pa dito sa retinol na to is hindi siya mahapde. I was expecting nga na pag unang apply ko, mahapde. Pero wala talaga siyang hapde. The other thing is the age-lock youth span. So, sobrang technical nitong product na to. I'm not an expert to explain this to you. I will only share with you that the first time I used this, parati ako nagpupuyat to play football. Puyat, tapos pasok sa work, tapos trabaho for the business. So you can imagine, I sleep only 3 hours, 4 hours. And after 20s, magde-decline na daw talaga yung muscle recovery, your body functions. But I noticed, once I started using Age-Lock Y-Span, hindi na nangangalay yung legs ko after playing. So, anong nangyari before? Pagpasok ko ng work, I played football the night before, di ba? Tapos tulog ako ng mga 3 o'clock, gising ako ng mga 7 a.m., pasok ng work. Tapos, nakaupo ka sa trabaho, nangangalay yung legs ko. So, I didn't feel that anymore after using Y-Span. And then also, hindi ako mabilis na mapagod. So, imagine having that feeling. Ngayon ba, pag umaakit ka ng hagdan, hinihingal ka. Imagine, hindi ka nahihingalin just because of this. And what? You just take 2 capsules in the morning, 2 capsules at night, solve ka na. And you just take it with your meals. Wala kang extrang gagawin, di ba? So, isn't that amazing? Sobrang efficient nitong products na to. Now, let me show you picture para hindi tayo all talk. Diba? Continue. Yan. Kita niyo, di ba? Andyan pa ba kayo? Can you say something? Hello? Are you there? Ayan, nandyan pa kayo. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, April 12, mukha ng, di ba, skin tag. Pero after a month, lumiit na siya. So, sobrang na-amaze ako. And then, let me just show you guys itong picture. Rotate sana. Ay, hindi. Yan. So, this was me year 2000. Pandemic 2022 and this 2024. So imagine not looking a decade older, 'di ba? Sobrang lapit. Hindi naman ako nag-i-imagine, 'di ba? Halata naman na magkakalapit yung skin condition. So major products that I use for sure is Y-Span and the retinol to help me maintain this youthful glow. So, we also have 2 of our friends na magkukwento din ba kayo or you just want me to share your photos? Zane and Jen, makakapagkwento ba kayo?
Hey, Ava.
Okay.
Okay lang ba ikaw na lang mag-share?
I-share ko yung picture mo. Sige.
So, yeah, good evening. And basically, I've been using Nu Skin for 10 years actually. Nag-start ako 2015. Tapos, syempre, yung novice level. Yung novice level is 1 product lang. So, I started with Glacial Marine Mud. Tapos ito yung nakakatuwa 'no, parang I was just thinking to myself kanina na nabawasan na talaga yung melasma ko din. Kasi, ah, I've tried the retinol on one side lang. So, yung right side ng face ko nabawasan siya. Pero hindi pantay kasi naiwan yung left. So, yung left napansin ko, very prominent siya nung February, around February. And siguro naging masipag ako mag-apply ng products. Ito lang pagpasok ng May. So, 2 weeks na, 'di ba? 2 weeks na since May. So, notice ko talaga visibly less na yung melasma. I mean, where else can you find products na sobrang instant? Tapos ito yung nakakatawa yun, no? Parang nung time na yon na I was using the products, parang ganda-ganda na ako sa sarili ko. Tapos binalikan ko siya. Parang hindi pala. Parang may gaganda pa pala. Yun yung nakakatuwa doon.
Yun.
Yung akala mong okay na, na-realize ko kanina na parang ang dami ko palang chismis sa mukha. Ang dami kong tagyawat, dami kong dark spots. Nangyayari, hindi ko alam kung dahil stressed ako or maraming bagay. But yun nga, as Ava was sharing with me earlier, parang I realized while doing this business, not only do you get nice products, like products that really work, but you get a community of friends na who support you to make better choices for your health. So, mental health man yan, physical health man yan, waistline mo man ang concern mo, 'di ba? So, all of that compounded, and I think for the better after 10 years since getting to know these products and the community. Parang I would say na ang dami ko nang natutunan, ang dami ko na ring nagamit. That's why I look like how I look now. So, I wouldn't say 28, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong i-ju-judge ng mga tao. But I feel really good about how I look kasi ang the best part is I haven't seen a lot of people after the pandemic. And now that we're opening up, we're starting to go out and meet again with friends. Alam niyo, sobrang sarap ng feeling. Sobrang sulit talaga na I give myself a pat in the back na parang good choice, Chen. Parang ganon. Kasi sobrang hindi mo matatawaran yung comment na, wow, you look so good. Parang ganon. I mean, I lost weight, my skin is better. So parang all of that, 'di ba? Nakakadagdag siya sa confidence. And sabihin na ng ibang tao na it doesn't matter. For me, it does. And I'll stick to what matters to me. So if this resonates with you, then give yourself a chance, 'di ba? Na for you to feel good, feel confident, na alam mo sa sarili mo na you take care of you and that's all that matters. Yun lang. Thank you.
Wow. Totoo yan. Amazing talaga, no? And parang, napansin ko din like with you, Jen, aside from the products that you're using, is your inner glow din talaga eh, di ba? Parang you start taking a better care of yourself once you feel better. And I think magsa-start din siya when you start taking care of your skin and then you see results, di ba? Tapos nagkakaroon ng, talagang from within. You're taking better care of yourself, of your health. Di ba? E napansin ko yan sa'yo, talagang iba yung radiance mo. Simula nung lumaya.
Thank you. Kilig-kilig. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Hindi ko binabayaran si Ava, malayo yan. Tsaka euro ang bayad dyan. So, hindi ko siya binabayaran. Pero yung mga comments na ganyan, talagang sasabihin ko talaga sa sarili ko na, grabe, buti na lang ginawa mo. Ganon. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay, Zane, are you there? Makakapag-open mic ka ba? Sige. Share na lang natin yung picture ni Zane. Eto, na-amaze talaga ako kay Zane. Kasi talagang itsurang hindi tumanda. 'Di ba? Kitang-kita naman. And ayan, talagang sinare din ni Zane last time that she has concerns with acne. Pero ngayon, titignan mo yung skin niya, walang bahid ng acne. And also with her, napansin gan like sa'yo, Jen, iba talaga yung glow from within. Na parang, I see I see you ladies na talagang sobrang empowered, parang nothing can stop you. And it's not only the products, alam mo yon. The products actually elevate it, I guess, or synergistic. Siguro not one is more important than the other. Parang you could be taking care of your skin, pero parati ka na sa pollution, for example, or parati kang stressed. Baka ano lang siya, ano yung tawag doon? Break even, if you know what I mean. Okay. Ayan. So, thank you for sharing that. Basically, I think ngayon kasi, especially with, hi Coco, would you like to share something also? Mahina ata yung signal ni Coco eh.
Hello! Yes, kakadating ko lang ng Manila. Nag-drive kami all the way from
Welcome.
Quezon. And nag-attend pa ako ng birthday party ngayong gabi. So, yes, finally, I'm home. So, wala. Natutuwa lang ako sa mga pictures nyo. Sorry, hindi ko na-share yung photo ko. Pero, is it all about just the retinol or also for other products then?
Basically, it's what helps you maintain your youthful glow inside and out. So
Actually,
whatever
hindi
products those
maintain eh.
are
It makes,
or
it makes
habits.
my skin better even more eh. Diba? Kasi sa totoo lang, ang dami kong mga classmates, mga ka-age range, and you can really tell na if you don't take care of your skin, it really shows sa skin mo if you're taking care of it or not. Diba? So for me, I can really tell that the products works, especially for this retinol. Um, like recently nag-attend lang ako ng party and then nagsabi sila na glowing yung skin. Sabi ko, it's because of the retinol. Kasi iba yung, sabi niya, may glow ka eh. May glass. I mean, parang nakaka-glass skin ng mukha din yung retinol. So, parang, like yung outreach namin, sabi ko, ba't iba yung glow ng face mo? Kahit walang makeup. So, well, yun lang. Nakakatuwa na yung products natin kahit hindi ka mag-makeup, it really shows on your skin na healthy siya. Kaya, yun. Yun yan. Like what you've mentioned earlier, parang ikaw ba yung nag-mention nun? Or si Glenn, na I mean, yung confidence level mo tumataas. Di ba? So, yun. Yun lang.
Thanks for sharing. Totoo, no? Tapos parang, and I love this community of ours kasi, alam mo yun, very empowering, very uplifting yung feedback with each other. And yun nga, we are lifting each other up by being inspired by each other's stories, di ba? But of course, hindi naman tayo magsistick lang sa words, di ba? Mas maganda di pala mas maganda. It's essential that we also have, we nourish our bodies with good food, good supplementation, and yun kaya sa retinol, especially kung hindi ka mahilig sa makeup, di ba? Or you're too busy to apply makeup or go to a dermatologist just to maintain yung skin health mo. So, and these are some of the products that you can use para efficient ka sa time mo, di ba? Lalo na kung mommy ka na, like Zane. Pero imagine si Zane, mommy na, tapos maintain pa rin niya yung youthfulness niya. So, I guess the next thing that we can do right now, kasi I did also like si Jen, half face lang yung ina-applyan ko. And I'm really happy. Pag tumitingin ako sa salamin, and I noticed the difference between my left side and my right side. Kitang-kita ko talaga. Especially yung lines, yung crow's feet ko dito. Of course, maraming kailangan i-catch up yung right side ko. But I'm continuing to do only half face treatment. And there's a challenge I want to post for you guys if you're up for it. The next 7 days, pick one concern that you have. Whether, for example, it's metabolism or your, anong tawag doon? How smooth your skin is, or meron kang pimple mark that you want to get out. pick a product or pick a natural solution and then see how that will address your concern, 'di ba? Syempre, maganda do your research on what product you can use that will help you address that without damaging the other parts of your skin or the other parts of your body. Pa? So, that's my challenge for you guys. Ako kasi I usually do 7 days and then I check again after 2 weeks kung ano yung effect. Kasi gagastos ka na rin naman, di ba? Why not? Share mo na sa social media, baka kumita ka pa. If that makes sense. So for those of you naman who have not tried our Derma-approved skin analysis app, you don't have to pay a dermatologist to analyze how much dark spots or lines or your other skin concerns. You can use this app from the comfort of your home and even have a selfie timeline so you can see if the products that you're using actually work. And thank you so much for being here tonight. We will see you tomorrow. I'm super excited to hear from our economista. Share her mindset. Siyempre, tungkol yan sa usapang pera, negosyo, pagpalago ng pera, achieve financial freedom and time freedom. So thank you, ladies. I'll see you tomorrow night. Have a nice Sunday. Babush!
Thanks, Ava. Bye-bye.
Bye!